Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is cityfalls.com, and before the started we can show something about that website. So according to HRF, the domain rating is 66, and according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 34.5k monthly visitors, and the mostly traffic from USA, Pakistan, Indonesia, Turkey and the Vietnam. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience and the traffic source from that kind of countries, so must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay, so now we can start. So before that, if you are new on this channel, so please, it's a humble request, you can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so this is a website dashboard, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section. Okay, so you guys can scroll this site and you can go there. Now there is a mycityfalls. You guys can simply click there, and there you guys can click for the create account button. There you guys can add your full name, so James Bolden. Okay. And there you guys can add your email address. There you guys can add your company name and the company number. And there you guys can add your street address, your city, and you guys can select your street, Mintonka, Minnesota. And there you guys can add your zip code, and your username is Jobma. You can consider your company name. There you guys can add your password, resubmit your password, and you guys can choose your reminder question. What is your hometown? And this is important: favorite teacher, favorite pet, hometown, mother middle name, and you guys have to acknowledge the terms and conditions. Then you can click for the continue button, and you guys can please enter a valid zip code. In the zip code, why these things added? Okay. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Password again. So we have moved on the second phase. So there you guys can add your website URL. So there you guys can add your index page and the toll free number if you are having. So again we can add the same number there now, and there is all details are already filled, and the additional full company email. Okay, so from there you guys can optimize your hours for the operating below. So what is 8:30 to 5:30 p.m. 8:30 to 5:30, 8:30 am to 5:30. It's all automatically applied for the all days, and these are the closing days. And the payment method, if you are check this all box, if you are having according to your business payment method, you can check this box. business description. So we can add a short description. Ownership, women owned, industrial, okay, product service keywords. Establish here, you guys can add 2012. Language is spoken. Business brand name criteria and the specific listing preview. Then we can click for the continue button. We have added all the details, I guess, and there you guys can choose your category. Recruitment, let me check if it is available. Please enter. See, career, HR, job, software, yeah. Then after that we can click for the submit button and enter your product keywords, automotive, and there we can go to add our software keywords. So software key is video interview software, and let me check if it is available or not. So computer and software publisher, and the video and the DVD, there is many things. After that you can click for the submit button and we can click for the continue again. There you guys can choose your company logo. So this is our company logo. Promotional text. So promotional text is this chargeable or not, I haven't idea. So best video interviewing software jobma, and I can keep it small, and there I can go to add our pages. And we can click for the submit and continue. Album title, do it later, upload later. So you guys can upload your albums or anything if you wanting. So this is all details about the company and your preview, business name, your hook word. So this is a best video interview software, and after that you can click for the continue button and you can go click for the go to my city falls, and you can see there is top of the left, middle of the left section, there is a view print receipt. So let me click over there, preview listing profile, and yeah, this is our business listing landing page URL, and you can see it's instant approved backlink. So this is all details, and simply we can click to inspect and we can go to check. So this is a no follow backlink, but the thing is we have created our business listing backlink. This is SOAR services offered video interview platform. Okay, in the services, in the keyword section where you guys can add your all services, not instead of the keyword. Okay, so this is a business hour and all the details. Okay, so we have created our high quality business listing backlink on that website. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.